I love sound effects. This is a layer that adds so much to your movie. And a layer that it's, if left off, man, the difference that it makes to have great sound design and some great sound effects in your movie, because you're not going to get the right sound that you need on set. There's a couple sources that you can use to get your sound effects. There's a lot of already built sound effects that you can pull in online from sound effects libraries. They're created through Foley, which is an actual person creating sounds and recording the sounds that actually go with your movie. You know, that set sound is the base, it's the template, that you add on all these different layers of sound effects and Foley effects, and to bring all those in to add just the depth and breadth that you want to have in that theater experience, in that theatrical experience.
What good is it now?
On Big Game, we had the opportunity, after we did some of the shooting, we went over to Sound Deluxe. When it comes to sound effects, Born Identity is kind of something that's had a through line for us in doing our research and things, but they had just finished Born Ultimatum. She had said that about 95% of the sound was all done in post-production through sound effects and everything. So taking the time to do that really makes the difference in what the outcome of your movie is.